yoboikirano na ukubuli gwabo no niko kororo chiasa abantu wesokia annemo no konyara gusangana abanda ndemo nabasacha obaroka no gutwara birengereria asa matuka mange abande batari gusangana abande igento ikero sacha bange konyara gutwara umuchando bwobongo inkolengana ne kyombekemo annemo no asa basacha babuliwe besokie eri konyara kusanga ibirengerere byabo koirania nse guchara no kwibirengereria gusa stress yokera abange babo konyara kwerusya bugima Varinyo sero no mulikita sansemeli yobo chenu noroboti rwa senchira yobo ime.
Omutienyi yo gatano narimo kero mwaka no mutienyi boko manya abantu igoro yo muchando bwobongo anene asaba sacha nigo ritko lya lero inyagetari ya wasi specialist yarigani omuroberi obwo semya barundi bechipigipigi igoro yenganeye ne chinchira cyo komenya buya.
My name is Wanya Kevin. I work for Oasis Specialist Hospital Kisii, and today we had a mental awareness month which we were culminating here. And in conjunction with our Maoda Oasis border stage, we decided that as well we have a session whereby our mental health will be addressed. And from today's session, we have at least learned ways in which we can be able to have that masculinity, more especially to protection of our mental health.
Every year, June, go to our mental health for men awareness. Asili tukulia lero ntwali kwa na Oasis Specialist Hospital baachire gotoegeria na gotoa maegeria igoro ya mental health abo asitwa iro basemi buna turanyara komenya ntubuna bana bodaboda
ayariga go chachinga kiaro kanire buna basacha babere bakwebwa segeka nonya bagwetera amanke.
For now, mental health awareness has been neglected. We have been so much focusing on the women and we have neglected men. So as Oasis, we decided to call our men, we have a talk, and we see how we can help each other in coping with mental issues.
Korengana na bana bodaboda abo besokia erio konyora obosemya na mange bagwetera asibagokera omuroberi oyoiga na goteba buna besemiria mange gati abo ogusanga na bamwe abo chinga kibabwato muchando gokora amasoesi egati yanda mange erio ko bakonya wetanga korwase amaroire yobongo
asense mobuna ntu okonyora toko ba depressed okonyora ntu bwa shida n'abantu abanyora bakwengenta sobonge mono moso aba sacha kubo abakungu abo asitwatebigu buna turabaise ko ba togo avoid ebinte kamenebyo
nigo bono kuburia kwa rurwe au tia sabantane na bana bodaboda gosiboka na usange mechando yabo weancha gotakwa omoyo na baigo konyoro bokonyi ase chinyagetari chinga kibatwarira umuchando
ntwate buto nyare gweancha twancha nemebere yaito naende twanyara goteba stubwatu muchando nabo togokonya ando nyakoroche no bwatu muchando buno yo nabo komnyoke nyagitari bune Oasis abanyagitari mbaro bagokonye ase birengere bunebi nto nyara gotwara depression nto twara stress nali emebere yaitera abe tutware birengere birongo
togosaba tunyara ko batogotwara policy na advocacy erengia nande ngosaba ase abana bodaboda kwa jumla tunyare ko ba toko ligio basemi na okwana nyonde kabwaten challenge na babashya no yomino nande na batoko ligi these professionals banyare ko babago tukwanira na gotokorera counseling
omuroberi oyo ni gobogokogerwa kegima asaba na bodaboda na boigo enyagetari ya Oasis yabage gwakerwa ngambia mono asoko enekiabu n'abantu babeire bagosemiwa chinchira cyo komenya buya na wetanga kurwa semechando yobongo.
I want to appreciate the Maoda bodaboda for their cooperation and the liaison with the hospital in liaison with the transportation for their patients, and also want to thank the hospital for the good organization to link up with these immediate family members, the Maoda stage, and to talk and address matters pertaining to their mental health.
Go reporter ya Ndizi TV, Eriatriane Evelyn Osero.
Biyamuro mulikite Evelyn Osero asoro bochurwa senchira yobo